Hi guys, it's Debbie with Southern Comfort with Debbie DIY. I wanted to show you guys, it's kind of hard to see. These are my birds and my bird pen. So hard to see right now. I don't know if that's better or not. My birds are all, I can't see. They can't see. Let me try over here.
Okay.
Can you guys see my birdies? Here, let me get up close here. Okay, well, what I wanted to show you was I did this little craft right here. And what I did was, that's their watering bowl. It was just that little metal tin at the bottom. But they keep pooping in it as they fly over or perch above it. So I took a little vase, E6000'd it with some blue rocks in it. I don't know what they're called. And I took a plastic bowl from Dollar Tree and painted the inside of it. And then E6000'd it upside down to kind of try to keep the water clean. It's somewhat keeping it clean, but not really. Sorry for my dogs, they're all barking. These are my birds. I have lovebirds and finch. They're all up in the top right now, so I don't know if you can see them all. Let me see if I can turn the camera up here. Oh, there they all are. As soon as I did that, they all went flying. I don't know if you can see them. Dang. I doubt you can see them. Let's see. There's some flying up here.